Hi everyone, this is Jen with Let's Get Chalkin' with Jen. So today I'm going to be using our Bless Our Nest transfer from Chalk Couture, and I'm going to be doing this on an 18 by 24 chalkboard. Now this transfer is one of our larger transfers with many different pieces, and I'm only using a few, but that's okay because the beauty of Chalk Couture is that all of our transfers are reusable. So once you're done using them, you're just going to clean this up with water and Clorox wipes, and then you're going to store them again for future use, so that if you ever want to create a new project, you can absolutely do that. Now this would look really great in an entryway. This would look good in a living room or a kitchen. So many different possibilities where you could place this. Now I'm going to be using our mint green, our sand, our chocolate, our white, and our Periwinkle Chalkology chalk paste today on this project. Now remember, all of our chalk paste is a water-soluble semi-permanent chalk paste, and what that means is as long as you do not seal your project, you can totally change this out later on with a different design. And I actually just recently posted a video, so make sure you check that out to see how easy the cleanup is. Now you can purchase Chalk Couture straight through me on my website at chalkandwithjen.com, or if you'd like to learn about being a designer like me and being able to share Chalk Couture with others, please reach out to me. It's just $99 to start your own business. You can do this as a full-time income, you can do this as a part-time job, or even just a hobby for your friends and family. So chalkandwithjen.com is my website. I hope you love the end result of Bless Our Nest, and I hope you have a great day. Please make sure you subscribe below.